We'll guide you through how to fix an SSD not showing up or missing on a computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Here we are on my computer. This could be Windows 11 or 10, it doesn't matter. So perhaps you've gone and just installed or connected an SSD, whether it's internally in your computer or you've got an external one, it doesn't matter, this will go and apply. And then what you do is you go and open up your file explorer. You come over to the left and go and find this PC and you look in devices and drives, but you can't go and see it here. It's not visible. This can be an annoying problem because you then can't go and start putting files on it and utilizing it. Don't worry, this is a common thing and it's because it's not fully set up. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and get it working, visible, and start using it. So to go about this, we'll come out of here for now. What you want to do is you can go and press search at the bottom and you can go and type in run and click here. You're then going to go and get this pop-up. And what you want to do is go and type in disk, D-I-S-K, M-G, mt.msc. It looks like this, and you can press OK. This will go and open up disk management. And what we then need to do is come to the second lower half here. Scroll down, and you need to go and find the SSD. You can identify it by the size. And it's most likely going to be unallocated, and that's why it's not showing up. So what we need to do is go and allocate it, and then we can go and use it, because at the moment the space isn't being used, it hasn't been set up. So to do this, you want to right click on it and press new simple volume, press next, make sure that it goes and uses the space because these match, and press next. You can then go and choose the drive letter. I'll just have it as a D drive, but you can change that if you want to and press next. Now, what you can do here is you can go and leave this as it is. You can go and change the file system to exFAT if you plan on using it on a Mac. Otherwise, NTFS will be fine, but it doesn't really work on a Mac. So do consider that, but otherwise it's fine. And you can go and choose if you want to go and change the name of it, maybe to SSD. Personally, I just keep it as new volume. Now what we can do is you can go and perform a quick format. That'll be fine. And we can press next. Then you need to go and press finish. Go and wait while it goes and allocates the space. And it shouldn't take too long. When it finishes, we're going to go and get a pop-up here as well. So go and wait. And as you can see, it's now complete. We had that pop-up there. And I can go and open up File Explorer. I'll press this PC and it'll refresh. And then here it is. We can double click on it and go and start using it. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. I look forward to help you again with more guides. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.